5. Kale breakfast recipes 1. Kale and mushroom omelet. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 cup chopped kale, stems removed, 1/2 cup sliced mushrooms, 1/4 cup diced onions, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for cooking. Instructions: sauté mushrooms and onions in olive oil until tender. Add kale and cook until wilted. Whisk eggs, season with salt and pepper, then pour over the veggies. Cook until the edges set, then fold the omelet in half. Serve hot. 2. Kale and berry smoothie bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup kale leaves, stems removed, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 banana, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 cup almond milk. Instructions: blend kale, berries, banana, yogurt, and almond milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with chia seeds for added crunch. Enjoy with your favorite toppings. 3. Kale and quinoa breakfast bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup chopped kale, massage with olive oil, 1 poached egg, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved avocado slices, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 4. Layer quinoa and kale in a bowl. Top with a poached egg, cherry tomatoes, and avocado. Season with salt and pepper. Drizzle with olive oil if desired. Kale and feta breakfast. Muffins. Ingredients: 2 cups kale, finely chopped, stems removed, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup diced red bell pepper, 4 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 350° F, 175° C. In a bowl, mix kale, feta, and bell pepper. In a separate bowl, whisk eggs, then add to the kale mixture. Season with salt and pepper. Pour into muffin cups. Bake for 20-25 minutes or until set. Let cool before serving. 5. Sweet potato and kale breakfast. Hash. Ingredients: 1 large sweet potato, diced 1 cup kale, chopped, stems removed, 1/2 onion, diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 eggs, optional for topping, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a skillet, sauté sweet potatoes in olive oil until golden and cooked through. Add onions and garlic and cook until softened. Stir in kale and cook until wilted. Season with salt and pepper. Top with eggs if desired, and cook until the eggs are done to your liking. Serve hot. I hope these 5 kale breakfast recipes were helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more information on kale, kale diets, kale recipes, and kale healthy eating tips, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's change our eating habits for a healthier life.